Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Queenie and today we're going to be doing an unpacking video, vlog style. I am unpacking all of my nail studio supplies so I can get started filming again. My first video back a couple weeks ago was titled Where I've Been and What's Next. And in it, I talk all about what happened that caused me to have to stop doing nails, not just my business, but in life. It was a super hard decision for me, but it was the right one to make. So now that I'm able to come back and I finally had a chance to go through all of this footage of me unpacking everything, I wanted to show you everything I had from before. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it below for you so you can get, like the backstory of why I had to shut down my business. I had to stop doing nails and I had to take a break for a year. I wanted to upload this on New Year's Day to celebrate new beginnings. And so happy new year to everybody, and may 2025 be the year of your dreams. So that being said, so far in the video, I've already unpacked one of the 3 large boxes of supplies when I decided to film the experience. And I'm really glad that I did, because I'm watching this and I'm like, oh my gosh, I was so happy that day, even though I kind of look a little like, what am I doing? I was so happy that day. So we have 1 box down and we have 2 more to go in the video. She's got some wear on her, huh? So this is my bin for everything that I used pretty much every day, all the time. So I have nowhere to put this stuff because all of my for lack of a better word, like glassware that I kept things in is all being reused. So I have to go and find some stuff. So give me a second to go and find some things to put this stuff in and I'll be back. Okay, so I found this little cup. I think we can use that until something better comes along. I haven't looked at this stuff in so, it's been, I think, 8 months since I posted my last video. Yeah, it's been a while. And I look at all my stuff and I'm like, oh, I remember you. So I'm just kind of going through everything. Pulling all my little brushes out. You can't see that up there now. Okay. So much stuff. Here she is. This is where the magic happens. My little Orly daughter duo. I kind of threw this stuff in a little haphazard, I guess, when I was putting stuff away. That one has to go like this. I think this is the brush that started my thing in the comments about using an old makeup brush. Somebody commented, she said something like, your nails are really cute, but I would never buy them because you use old makeup brushes to clean them and that's really unsanitary. I was like, well, there's a difference between an old brush and an old used brush, or just a used brush. None of my brushes are actually used for anything except nail art. So I never used it to put makeup on my face or anything. But I thought that was really interesting. It really matters how you say things sometimes. Okay. Let's just going to kind of pull. I know what I want and what I need, so I'm only going to pull out those things, because anything else I don't really need. I need that, I need that, I need this, and I need this, and these guys can stay in here. I don't think I need any of those. Here's another. These are the things I use all the time. I have a ton of like gel toppers and stuff, but I think for right now I'm just going to leave them in here, and then later they can make their way, and this is that sculpting gel, they can make their way into my tiered cart, because I don't need that stuff right this second. Foil transfer gel and my matte velvet top coat will come out too. Okay. And then I have one more box to go through that I need to pull stuff out of. So let me put this one back. So that goes up there. So this is where all of my business supplies are for packaging. So it's kind of sad. It's like really sad looking at this stuff, but I'm okay. I'm okay with it. There's nothing I could do about it. My hands just don't allow for that much. Okay, so here is a big, huge, I'm just going to go through this and see if there's anything I need out of this box. So here are all my buffer blocks, which I have a few out. I might have to pull a couple from there. Yeah, this is all packing stuff. All stuff that went like in my prep kits and nail boxes. All of the cuticle pushers, swatch sticks, so this is all boxes over here, as you can see. It's like all, and then these are more nail boxes here, and glue. Lots and lots of glue. And then this is rings and stuff that I had bought to give into the, little thank you gifts that I always gave away. My alcohol pads, the how to and how not to cards, the cute little emery boards, tons and tons and tons of what are these called? Adhesive tabs. Thank you. I don't know who I'm saying thank you to. Myself, I guess. And then extra mixer balls if I needed them. Here's all that. And then this is stickers that I used to put on my prep kits. And they just say, love it, brag about it. And then it's got snap and share for Instagram and Facebook. So I used to put those on all the time. Why is this not focusing? There we go. I used to put those on the prep kits all the time. And then these were the guys that I was looking for. So I have 3 sets of the rhinestones. This one is all iridescent stones. This one is clear. And this one is like a bronzy, coppery gold color. I guess it's gold. If I just needed one word, I would call it gold. And then each one of those has a stone picker in it. So we'll pull those back out of retirement and see if we need them. So I don't need this stuff. It's nice to have it now. Like if I'm going to be doing stuff again on the channel, it'll be very nice to have all those supplies. So I'm just going to hold on to everything. We'll put that back. And then in here, I have my stamping plates. So we're going to pull those out again. So here's all my stamping plates. I had them organized. When I put them away, I organized them a little bit. I have them set by like brand, seasonal, if it's animals or if it's flowers. Yeah, just kind of made myself little groups of different sets of plates. So they would be a little bit easier to find later on if I decided to start doing nail art again. So yeah, so everything's coming out of retirement. How exciting is that? Okay, so last but most certainly not least is my polish collection. This is, it's my girls. I'm going to say it. It's my girls. So, the girls are back. Not that they ever went anywhere, but it just sounded fun. Okay, so this is my polish collection, and I love the colors, and I love these racks. They are so convenient to have on the walls. That is, except for the top row, all stamping polish. And, oh, look, more space for more polish. And then I have some gel polish over on this side. But yeah, oh my goodness, I didn't realize I had that much space now that I'm looking at it. Where's my Amazon account? But, so yeah, so this is my polish collection and my Queenie straw, which is hilarious if you ask me. It's a straw that says Queenie. But yeah, so there we are. So unpacking the boxes was just the tip of the iceberg. I now have to run upstairs and find all the bins that have my acrylic drawers and shelves that hold all my daily polish supplies that I use every day, like base and top coats. So I'm going to say goodbye now, but I just wanted to let you know that I will be linking the video that gives you the full backstory here. So I invite you to check that out. Plus, I also make a really cute winter press-on set in that video. If you want to see the final nail studio setup once it's all organized, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to do that for you. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.